Welcome to the Mighty South YouTube channel. If you've got a fishing charter business, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be walking you through the process on building a website on the Mighty South platform for your business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video on YouTube today and you aren't quite familiar with the Mighty South service yet, Mighty South is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. All you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, fishing charter. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our fishing charter business so I can generate a simple website. Let's go ahead and put our company name, as well as our city and our state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Mighty South service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let Mighty Sites work its magic and create a simple website for our fishing charter business. And look at that, it's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look through each section together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. However, perhaps you've got your own images of your fishing charter and you want to make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional to help you either with this. So today I'm going to be walking you through the process from the top to the bottom, making my way through each section so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how simple it is to use. So let's get cracking. I'm going to hit to update section at the top, and the first thing I'm going to do is pop in my email address over here and make sure it's displayed on my Mighty Site website on the top right hand corner. Let's pop our phone number in, and that is click to call. Let's go ahead and put in our address if we have a physical location, that is. If you don't have one, that's completely okay. But I'm going to go ahead and put mine in and save location. The great thing about that physical location, that address, if you have one, that is, you can click on it and it will automatically take you to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms that your fishing charter is active on. Icons are displayed in the top and at the bottom of your Mighty Sites page. Your customers can easily give you a follow, click on those icons, and get some engagement going on your social media accounts. Let's move along. I'm now going to hit to update logo. If you don't have a logo yet, Mighty Sites will literally just display your name here for now, and it still looks really great and professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it. Now, if you don't have a huge budget for a graphic designer or a logo designer or a logo generator, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. There are a few great options on there that are completely free to use. Awesome logo has been uploaded, and you can make that bigger and smaller if you need to. With Mighty Sites, we've also pre-selected all the colors for you, as you can see, used throughout your website. However, on your fishing charter, maybe you have branding on your business cards, on your logo. Maybe it's a completely different to this one, although I think it's pretty suitable for a fishing charter. So I'm going to go ahead and change it just so you can see how that works. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available. I think this one's perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and save that one. Now over here, head over to update section and head over to update image. If you have your own images of your fishing charter, browse your device and upload them. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds to choose from, and they're all completely royalty free. No licenses, you don't need to pay for them. It will automatically search for fishing charter, but you can play around with the terms a little bit and see what pops up. So I'm going to search for fishing boats and see if anything comes up for that term. Let's look. Great. So there are a few great options here, but want something slightly different. So I'm going to search for fishing rod and see what pops up for that term. That looks great. I've already actually used this image at the bottom. I saw it's there. So I'm going to go ahead and select a different one and put this one. It actually is pretty suitable as well. Awesome. That looks amazing. Head over to update content. Over here, you can change the content, title, subtitles to suit your needs. Button currently says contact us today. You can say something else if you want to, like view our rates and upload a PDF file of the different rates you offer. You can link to an action as well, like click to call, click to email, directions, or links to another website if need be. But for this one, I'm going to say click to call so people can easily book my fishing charter for a fishing trip by giving me a call. Over here, again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Go ahead and click on update section if you want to make any changes. Over here, we've now reached the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your fishing charter business came to be. Are you a keen fisherman yourself? How long you've been in the industry for? Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers have a little bit of a background of your business, know they can rely on you, they can trust you. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services you offer. Do you offer deep sea fishing, offshore fishing, half and full day trips? Have you got professional guides or licensed captains? Can you cancel bookings? Go ahead and pop all those details over here so your customers know what they can rely on you for, what services you can offer them. We've now made our way into that lead form. At the bottom of your page over here, your customers can type their message, their contact details, click on send, and you will get notified via email you got a lead via the lead form. You can also find all the leads over in the client dashboard of your Mighty Sites website. Look at that. We've literally gone through our website in not even 10 minutes for our fishing charter business. We've generated a website. We've made a few changes. I didn't need to know any coding, and it really was such a breeze. It's only going to cost me $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. The great thing about our free trial on Marcy Sites is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. They always want you to put your credit card details in just so you can try the service. Not with Marty Sites, no credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and just give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. If you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on this yellow button, connect your domain. Say I already have a domain, click on it, go through the various steps and linking it. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website www.martysites.com. Head over to the blog. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of helpful blog posts and articles on tips to market your small business. So do check it out. Whoops. If you don't have a custom domain, you can now purchase your custom domain through the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature. We're super excited about it. So you can now do that on the Mighty Sites platform. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We do really love to hear your feedback. Cheers.